In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a visitors counter to your Shopify store. A visitor counter can help showcase activity on your store and give you insights into customer engagement. So let's get started. First, head over to L-Site and open the apps catalog. This platform provides customizable widgets that work with Shopify stores. Next, use a search bar and type visitor counter. From the results, select the visitor counter widget. Once the widget page opens, choose a template that matches your store's design and click continue with this template. Now you can customize the counter. Use the style settings to adjust colors, fonts, sizes and layout so it matches your store branding. After customizing, click publish. You'll then be asked to choose a plan. Select the free plan if that works for your needs. Once the widget is generated, copy the embed code provided. Now head back to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store and then Customize. Inside the theme editor, click Add section and select Custom Liquid. Paste the visitor counter code into the Custom Liquid field and then click Save. After saving, visit your store and you should now see the live visitor counter displayed on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a visitors counter to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.